here we have what we thought was extinct, a dinosaur. And as it comes majestically through the area, it sees us.
Oh, here comes a majestic turtle, climbing out of its humble abode. Where's it going? Nobody knows. Oh, crikey. They see each other.
They're inching closer. What's going to happen? The dinosaur puts its head up, but it looks like it can't see.
The turtle's ready to pounce.
They're going to fight each other.
Oh no.
What's going to happen?
Are they gonna die?
Are they going to... What?
What's going on?
What? What?
Huh?
They're friends!
Ooh, you make me live.